The cockatoo is a distinctive and charismatic bird belonging to the parrot family, known for its striking crest of feathers and playful personality. Native to Australia, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and the nearby Pacific Islands, cockatoos are recognized for their intelligence, sociability, and long lifespan. There are 21 species of cockatoos, including the popular sulphur-crested cockatoo, gala, and Major Mitchell's cockatoo. Cockatoos are medium to large-sized parrots, typically ranging from 12 to 24 inches in length, depending on the species. They have a distinctive crest of feathers on their head that they can raise or lower depending on their mood or to communicate. The color of the crest varies, with the sulphur-crested cockatoo having a bright yellow crest, while the gala has a pink crest. Their plumage is generally less colorful than other parrots, with most species being predominantly white, gray, or black, often with accents of yellow, pink, or red. Cockatoos have powerful, hooked beaks, which they use to crack open nuts, seeds, and fruits. Their strong feet are zygodactyl, meaning they have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backward, allowing them to grasp objects and climb with ease. Cockatoos are found in a variety of habitats, including rainforests, woodlands, savannas, and even urban areas. They are highly adaptable birds and are often seen in parks and gardens in cities, especially in Australia. Their range extends across Australia, Southeast Asia, and several Pacific islands. Different species of cockatoos occupy specific environments. For example, the sulphur-crested cockatoo is commonly found in coastal regions and forested areas, while the palm cockatoo, one of the largest and most distinctive species, inhabits the tropical rainforests of northern Queensland and New Guinea. Cockatoos are incredibly social birds and often live in large, noisy flocks. They are known for their loud, raucous calls, which they use to communicate with each other over long distances. These birds are often observed preening one another, a behavior that helps strengthen social bonds within the flock. In the wild, cockatoos are often seen feeding and foraging together on the ground or in trees. They are highly active and playful, often engaging in acrobatics while moving through the trees. Cockatoos are also known for their curiosity and can become quite bold around humans, especially in urban areas where they have learned to scavenge for food. One of the most striking features of cockatoos is their intelligence. They are considered to be among the most intelligent birds, capable of solving puzzles, using tools, and mimicking sounds, including human speech. In captivity, cockatoos are popular pets due to their affectionate nature and ability to form strong bonds with their human caretakers. However, their intelligence can also lead to destructive behavior if they become bored or frustrated. Cockatoos are known to chew on furniture, toys, or other objects if not given enough mental stimulation. In the wild, they use their beaks to strip bark from trees and crack open tough seeds, demonstrating their problem-solving abilities. Cockatoos are omnivores, with a diet that primarily consists of seeds, nuts, fruits, berries, and insects. In the wild, they spend a significant amount of time foraging for food, using their strong beaks to open tough seed pods or dig up roots. Some species, like the gang cockatoo, are known for their specialized diet of eucalyptus seeds and fruits. In urban areas, cockatoos are often seen raiding garbage bins or feeding on crops, which sometimes leads to conflict with humans. Despite this, they play an important role in their ecosystems by helping with seed dispersal, which aids in forest regeneration. Cockatoos form monogamous pairs and maintain lifelong bonds with their mates. During the breeding season, which typically occurs in the spring and summer, pairs engage in courtship displays, which often involve loud calls, head bobbing, and wing flapping. They build their nests in tree hollows, where the female lays 1 to 3 eggs. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs, which hatch after about 25 to 30 days. Once the chicks hatch, the parents continue to share feeding duties until the young birds are ready to fledge, which occurs after about 10 to 12 weeks. Cockatoos have an exceptionally long lifespan, often living 40 to 70 years in captivity, with some individuals reaching up to 100 years. While some cockatoo species, such as the sulfur-crested cockatoo, are abundant and thrive in human-modified environments, others are facing significant threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation, illegal trapping for the pet trade, and agricultural expansion have led to the decline of several species. The Philippine cockatoo and yellow-crested cockatoo are listed as critically endangered due to these pressures. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these species, including habitat restoration, stricter enforcement of wildlife protection laws, and breeding programs in captivity. In some areas, farmers have also implemented measures to protect crops without harming cockatoos, recognizing the need for coexistence. Cockatoos have significant cultural and symbolic value in many parts of the world. In Australia, they are an iconic part of the landscape, often featured in art, literature, and indigenous stories. Cockatoos are also popular pets due to their playful and affectionate nature, though their long lifespan and demanding care requirements make them a challenge for some owners. In indigenous Australian culture, cockatoos are sometimes seen as messengers or symbols of change, with their loud calls and sudden appearances being interpreted as omens. The cockatoo is an extraordinary bird, admired for its intelligence, beauty, and strong social bonds. Whether soaring through the wilds of Australia or performing tricks in captivity, cockatoos are a testament to the adaptability and resilience of nature. Their striking crests and playful personalities make them unforgettable creatures, and efforts to protect their habitats are essential for ensuring their survival for future generations.